Greetings, everyone. Welcome back. It's Vin Ho of internationalvin.com. In this video, I'm going to take a few minutes to explain why manufacturing will not be coming back to the United States. You see, in the last 30 or 40 years, American companies have decided to move their manufacturing overseas into lower cost countries such as Asia, China, Vietnam, Indonesia, Malaysia, India, etc. And the main reason is because of the lower cost of labor. So they can produce a lot of goods just cheaper and more efficient. So they've set up these big supply chains, these big companies overseas, and so they're utilizing the local labor to do that. Because if you look at the demographics, America is aging and other countries are getting older, but there's some countries that have stronger demographics, meaning they have more beneficial and younger people. So we saw that with China, though China is now slowing down. And now we see that with Vietnam having a fairly young demographics too. So these countries, they go into these phases and they have got a lot of labor and it's very affordable and they're young and they're capable and they're skilled. So American companies have been taking advantage of that for years and decades now. And so they've been able to capitalize on that. Number two is automation. A lot of these companies have been implementing robotics and faster machinery and things like that. So a lot of these assembly lines, they have these big machineries that do a lot of the work, and so they don't need a lot of the labor because labor is expensive in America. So they're starting to get rid of the workers and starting to automate a lot of the processes. So in America, we do, of course, have some manufacturing, but a lot of that has been automated, and there's really not a need for the labor, for the assembly that we needed maybe 20 or 30 years ago. So it's easier just to pay China or Vietnam to assemble products cheaply. For example, textiles, shoes, that's done overseas, because in America, if we were to do that, it costs too much money to employ an American with all the benefits and a living wage to produce something that's so cheap. And so that's the main reason. So there you have it. Those are the two main reasons why manufacturing is not coming back to the United States. Of course, there's also some other reasons, but those are the two main ones that I have seen and studied and have realized the main obstacles to a lot of manufacturing coming back to the U.S. All right, that's it for now. I'll talk to you soon. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.